Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to jump on the Mark 1 again and get the interior out. We had a huge downpour 5 days ago and the interior had about an inch worth of water in it, so it needs to be stripped out, dried out. Hopefully we can find out where the leak is, but worst case scenario, at least we get the interior out and dry and stop any mould and any rust appearing from the underside. Also, it's a good opportunity for us to see what the underside of the bodywork is like from the inside. But yeah, let's crack on, let's go. Got my trusted assistant with me today. Say hi.
Hi.
Right, I hope you can hear this. They got the council digging up our road at the moment. Right, simple enough and everything else. It's, I believe, a 10mm nut on here that comes out. The runners move back, seats lift up and pop out. Simple as that. And then very similar for the back. Latch comes down, seats run forward, and then these little clips here come off and you pry it off that way, and then the back seats come out quite easily. Right, let's jump on to all the carpets and then let's see what's going on.
Turn it all out, told me every secret. Said that I care, asked do you mean it? It's been months since we've been okay. I'm putting off what's coming.
Right, so for me it was literally 2 screws either side, the seatbelt points both sides, and then that's for me is the rear carpets to come out.
And I'm sorry I couldn't be there for you. Admit that I ignored it. You deserve to be loved. You deserve to be loved.
Carpets are out and it's not too bad here in the back. There's a little bit of puddling and whatnot. We'll soak that up with some towels and go from there, and then we'll jump on the front. The passenger side, so definitely need replacing. It's definitely soaking wet, so I think we'll be replacing all the insulation. Right, so far body work inside is actually quite good considering its age and whatnot. I think I'm going to have to buy some new insulation as we know, and probably going to go for somewhere maybe that silent coat or dyno mat or one or the other. Bit of further investigation, we found probably what is one of the issues. If we can get that, but actually one of the drain holes, the scuttle panel there is full of water. I think that might be one of the problems. Let's see if we can clear it. Oh yeah, that's full of a lot of crap. See it coming, all poking out the bottom there. That's probably half the issue. Right, a few days later, Parts have come in, so we are going to crack on. First of all, we have our roller to roll out our 30 sheets of silent coat. I've used this stuff before. It does the trick very well. It's much cheaper than like your dodo mat and such like, so always worth a try if you want to go down that route. But also we have our underlay pads from VW Heritage, and yeah, I'll leave a link in the description for all these bits and pieces if you fancy going and to get them.
Don't you think we could be different if we could just take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows, feel the wind rush the blue, hear the music, take the groove. Don't you know all I'll ever really wanna be is a connected high, you and I, pinnacle, climactic vibe. Show me yours, I'll show you mine, you don't have to pretend we're shy. Let's forget the 9 to 5, I just wanna feel alive. Take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows. Show me yours, I'll show you mine, you don't have to pretend you're shy. Take it slow, let it go, take it slow, let it go, take it slow, let it go, take it slow, take it slow, let it go. Let's take a trip to uptown. Don't you wish we could be out of sight, out of mind? Take my hand, don't go slow, I'm chasing the afterglow. Dance with me while the beat finally got some clarity. Don't you know all I'll ever really wanna be is a connected high, you and I, pinnacle, climactic vibe. Show me yours, I'll show you mine, you don't have to pretend we're shy. Let's forget the world outside, turn it up to overdrive. Take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows. Show me yours, I'll show you mine, you don't have to pretend you're shy. Take it slow, let it go, 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 take it slow, let it go. Don't you wish we could be out of sight, out of mind? Take my hand, don't go slow, I'm chasing the afterglow. Dance with me while the beat.
Okay, so that's the front pretty much done. Just a little bit of time consuming and whatnot, but other than that it's nice and sounded and
take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows.
It's time to start putting the carpet back in.
Show me yours, I'll show you mine, you don't have to pretend you're shy. Take it slow, let it go, take it slow, let it go, take it slow, take it slow, let it go. Let's take a trip to uptown. Don't you wish we could be out of sight, out of mind? Take my hand, don't go slow, I'm chasing the afterglow. Dance with me while the beat finally got some clarity. Don't you know all I'll ever really wanna be is a connected high, you and I, pinnacle, climactic vibe. Show me yours, I'll show you mine, you don't have to pretend we're shy. Let's forget the world outside, turn it up to overdrive. Take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows. Turn it all out, told me every secret. Said that I care, asked do you mean it? It's been a month since we've been okay. I'm putting off what's coming. Another night staring at the ceiling. Oh. You deserve to be alone, to be the one they're always thinking of. And I'm sorry I couldn't be there for you. Admit that
Right, here we go, everything's back together, all in its place. Clips are all back in, all new insulation is installed, front and back, seats are all back in, and done and dusted. Thanks for watching, everyone. All the products we use will be down in the description, and thanks for watching, and see you later on.